Alright, this is Steamboat Willie, but a voice over it. Let's watch this crap. Whatever this is. Let's see what this is. Mickey Mouse. Yay! 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 Steamboat Willie. Steamboat Willie. Say a fish. Say a feet. My name is Mickey, and I will. My name is Mickey, and I will kill you with a spoon. Yeah. I'm gonna punch you. Wake the hell up. Oh. Get over here. Huh? Oh no. Get the hell out of my bus. Bus? This ain't. Okay, fine. I'll go. No! Did you just say no? Damn. Ah. Oh. Baby show. Ha ha. Oh my god, shut the hell up. I'm not a baby show. Oh, it's like, I'm gonna eat this. I'm mad, but at least I have this. Yay. Oh. Goo! Goo! Oh, it hit the bell. And that's funny somehow. So I'm gonna do it again and assume that it's not gonna hit me. Oh no, it hit me. I'm mad. Wah, help me, help me, help me, help me. Help. I'm gonna grab you. Bye. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. I'm mad. Oh. I know you want some hay. Oh, you're queso. You just turned into queso. Mickey! La 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 la. I'm just gonna go now. I hope Minnie's not chasing me. Mickey! What do you want, Minnie? Mickey! I'll get you. Come on. Oh, let me just. Underwear. I need to see your underwear. Ooh, food. That looks like food. Delicious. I'm gonna eat it. Food. That's 100% food. Okay. I don't need to see your diaper anymore. What's that? I eat your food. Give me. No. Oh, are you suffering? Yep, you're suffering. Okay. Oh, as long as you're suffering. Hey, let's go grab the newspaper from his mouth because that's a normal thing to do. No, we're doing this instead because that's way more normal. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? What's this? Let's. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Blah, blah. I'm gonna bang my head. Oh, yeah, yeah. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. 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 Yeah, gonna play this. Yeah. I like this. Meow, meow, meow. I'm just. Help me! Help me! Help me! Ow! Ow! I'm gonna swing you across the room. Help me! 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 Please, someone help me! Help me! Help me! Someone help me! I love this song, even though it's made out of animals' cries and I'm watching it made with my 2 eyes. Ooh. Open up. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, get in here. You better get the potato bin, else I'm gonna kill you. Oh, well, I'm gonna slice it. Baby show. Ha ha. Shut the hell up. Get out! Are you suffering? Yeah, you're suffering. As long as you're suffering, that's fine. The end. Oh no, it ended. I don't want it to end. No!